If your knife appears shaken like this, it's bigger and it sounds like it's kind of edged out. Under normal circumstances, after we tighten the screws, this problem will go away. To recover if it doesn't disappear after you tighten the screws, the gasket needs to be replaced at this time. Then we proceed to the operation of replacing the gasket. First, unscrew the screw again. We're going to wipe these places down with a clean sheet of paper. Please do not polish our sleeve mounted on the blade. The height of this sleeve is just right. And then we took it must be a new gasket. At the same time, it should also be the two gaskets that we attach to the packaging of our products. Then we install the handle at this time. Usually we put the gasket on the edge of the blade, and they're going to approach from here. Then push it in again. We use our batch to align the screws, to align the whole accessory. This will align it, just line it up. After aligning, we're going to put our female spike in there. Then we tighten our screws again. Please be sure to use a lot of force when screwing the screw. If you think your screw will turn when you screw it, please take it away like this. Then pinch the end of your handle with your hands. Handle, tail, let it clamp and clamp our screws. And then we can spin it, twist until it can't be twisted. It also recovered at this time. Then I lubricate it, then add lubricating oil to it. It can still restore a state with a tiny tap, a tiny state of play.